How to schedule SmartThing notifications with Do Not Disturb on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Connected Devices. So you will see Connected Devices here. So click on Connected Devices. Now here, scroll down and click on SmartThings. So after click on SmartThings, click on Menu. So after click on Menu, click on this Settings icon. So after click on this Settings icon, so click on Notifications. So after click on Notifications, click on Do Not Disturb. So click on Add Schedule. So you will select days from here and name, schedule name, and click on set time. So you will set time from here and set time and click on done. You will see scheduled time thing is do not disturb here. So after the process, go back to, so you will turn on or turn off schedule from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can schedule smart thing notification with do not disturb on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.